We have spent millennia staring at the stars, believing they were the ceiling of existence. But what if our entire universe is merely a single bubble in a fathomless, eternal ocean? The observable universe is a spherical region centered on Earth, with a physical limit of 93 billion light-years across. Because the universe is 14 billion years old, light from beyond this perimeter hasn't had time to reach us since the Big Bang. This creates an absolute wall to our observations. While our maps stop here, the laws of physics suggest our reality continues into the unmapped darkness. This window is actively closing. Space is expanding, constantly stretching the distance between us and the rest of the cosmos. At the furthest reaches of our vision, this expansion happens faster than the speed of light. Distant galaxies are moving away so quickly that the photons they emit can never bridge the growing gap to reach Earth. These star systems are currently crossing our cosmic horizon, vanishing from our view forever. We are trapped inside a fading bubble of visibility. To understand what lies beyond the light, we have to look for indirect evidence. While light is blocked by the horizon, gravity is not. We can measure massive forces acting on us from the unobservable void. Roughly 250 million light-years away sits an anomaly known as the Great Attractor. It remains hidden from our sight, obscured by the dense gas and dust of our own Milky Way. We know it exists because it is dragging our entire galaxy and thousands of others toward a specific point in the darkness. This synchronized motion suggests our universe is part of a larger, unseen macro reality that exerts its own physical influence on our neighborhood. Theoretical physics provides models for what this macro reality might look like, beginning with the behavior of quantum particles. One leading model is the eternal inflation multiverse. This theory views the cosmos as a rapidly expanding quantum foam. Because this foam is chaotic, localized regions can suddenly stop inflating and crystallize into stable universes. Since these pockets form from randomized fluctuations, the fundamental constants of nature, like the strength of gravity, crystallize differently in each one, giving every bubble its own distinct laws of physics. In this model, our entire universe is a localized anomaly, one bubble in a cosmic carbonated drink. A second model, known as Brane World theory, suggests the forces we feel come from higher dimensions. It proposes our universe sits within a vast, higher dimensional space called the bulk. Here, our three-dimensional universe is a flat membrane, a brane, floating parallel to other universes within a dark, multidimensional void. Adding a fourth spatial dimension changes how we calculate distance. Just as two flat sheets of paper can be stacked closely without their surfaces ever touching, another universe could be hovering just millimeters away in a direction our biology cannot perceive. This offers an alternative explanation for the Great Attractor. The gravitational pull we feel might be the shadow of a parallel universe bleeding into our own. But if we ignore higher dimensions and stick to the three dimensions we know, we face a different question. Does our space simply extend forever? This map of the cosmic microwave background provides the data to find out. By analyzing these temperature fluctuations, we can measure the physical geometry of space. Our measurements show the universe is flat, with a margin of error of less than 0.4%. This precision is vital. A curved universe would eventually loop back on itself like a sphere, creating a finite shape. A flat universe suggests the grid goes on forever. The math indicates the board our universe is played on has no edge. A flat, infinite universe leads to a result known as the Infinite Quilt theory. In any given area of space, quantum particles can only be arranged in a finite number of ways. In an infinite expanse, those arrangements must eventually repeat. If you travel far enough, the patterns of reality duplicate. Somewhere out there is another Earth and another version of you, living this exact moment. Our entire observable reality is a microscopic fragment of the all. Peering into the darkness, we reach the end of our current map. It marks the beginning of a much grander, more terrifyingly beautiful story.